Ula manje. Mfuka gama. And we are back with another one. Now welcome to More Zion Music. Yeah, bro. I trust everybody's doing well this morning. It's like guys, I think about 9, 10, go shout 11 actually. Perfect. Welcome to More Zion Music, a platform where we react to Zion music from Ukwaba to the singing. Doesn't matter, even if it's a choir practice, we are there, we listen. So today's one is gonna be a bit interesting because I used to church there. So namhlanje we are reacting to Ikhaya Lavangcwele, Udumo, Udumo. Yes, in the name of the song is Udumo Izulu Sangihlula. Malube Gu Ndodana. Yeah. So this level I should tell last I think Ogumshat or something. If I'm not mistaken, or 2 years ago. Yeah, but I think Ogumshat. By no, not the year before, because I left mid year last year. So I think it could have been 2023. But anyway, let's dive into it. Yes, is as Dome. I'm sorry, all red. All red. That's one thing about this photo, Sister Kalabangwele there. Yeah, I can't swear, but hey, this photo says Kalabangwele is yeah. Hey, it'll get you on your You know this guy who's singing? I don't know his name, man. I don't want to mispronounce it or say yes. I'm so antisocial, ne? I don't know people. But this dude can sing. What I love about his voice, it does not crack. Okay, I wonder when you sing for longer hours, some people's voice crack. Like voice that at the because now it's enough. Not this guy. I never. He goes, but he can go. Bruh. I have excuse me, I have never seen an active first lady. Njongo Mamzos. Ay. That woman, I love that lady so much. Listen, she's always there. She never misses a chance of kwab. And another thing about the Pasik is an rhythm yabo. No kwab. They've created some of the best quabbing steps of all time. Isandla, Pansi, Pezulu, Iskali, up and down. You can say whatever you want to say. But when it comes to Inkonzo, Natal or Durban, I gosh, boy. That's Kwabo. said, I'm not sure which video it was. I said, you know, women never says I will make you. Oh yes, bogi video, yeah. It's the viral video, my first video. I said, woman ever says Zion will make you fall in love with Zion. Bruh! Lawan pa sa ulwin ito. Like, lawan pa sa ulwin. So, I keep telling you, guys, the churches, their singing is so well-rounded. It sounds so good. And I abakunyeg ito. Like, Hold on. You know, it's funny. I'm about to say what I'm about to say. The most successful dancers, singers, Babu Zion. You can say whatever you want to say. Majority. There is a Gunobabo or famous or Ektai. Zion. I'm one of those dancers too. Yes, I'm sure. The level of rhythm when it comes to Zion is crazy. As a dancer, you see it. You're like, wait. So abakwabi on the melody. Bakwaba whose foot. If our melody is the singing of it's the singing of the song, right? And then kuba is foot. And then kuba yinyao. And then they sequences. Ekwabin. I want Antom. Lo. When she was still alive, she used to say there's 4 steps. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, there's 4, there's 5, and 6. Right? Abantu abaningi badlalela ku these 4 steps. If 5 and 6 is usually traveling step. And she would count it. Ati 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. And I never understood that. But now watching it, I'm like, wait. So Asa Kwabi on the melody says Kwaba is footwin. And as a dancer, you notice, you're like, oh, this is dope. You understand? So look, rhythm when it comes to a Zion, you're lying, bro. You're lying. That is why my gospel songs will take most of our ingoma Zion and then mix them up, and then a beat. Guys, come on, bro. Come on. And what's nice about this is an original song from Kyle Abangwe. I always talk about some of the best songwriters Zion. Ne? Because you judge that based on the originality of the song. And if ever you've heard any other song, any other church sing that song too, it shows that, okay, it belongs to them. Babunzuza presiding Mkaka, blessing angmazi baba khona, uvusgama umkhulu Vusgama, trust in Christ, living and living when amanzi ukwenza the same thing, living Tulani Manana, I might be forgetting someone, or ne blessing. You see those 7 churches, no name pure guidance, so it's 8. Those churches and writing, they're lying. Right now, believers, I don't know who's writing, and I've never heard Data's music, but I will. When it comes to writing, now you're lying, bro. Now you're lying. can sing. And I always say I like a singer who plays around with the song. It makes it nicer. I don't just singing uyasipora sonke. As soon as you start playing around with the song, dude, people are like, yeah, the song is perfect to make it an effort. Ukuthi once in your lifetime uvakashela sonto lamaZion once. So as I've paused the video, I know the quality is not that great, but Mama Ome Pambil right now, she's facing forward. See that lady, that lady's vocal range. I don't know her name. So I was so antisocial, no? Like so antisocial. I was always by myself. But once everything was done, somewhere outside. Naman, I still do that. Whenever I'm in public with people, I don't really stay there for too long. That lady's vocal range, yo, it's insane. It's insane. Mkaka, you had your chance. Okay. If you're wondering, do you miss Zion? I don't. I genuinely don't. No, 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 no. Guys, Nkulele corner. So I was. By default, you become a Zion member. But once a Zion, always a Zion. But I don't miss it at all. No. What I miss is the singing. What I miss, ukwaba, ukufuta. You know, I miss that. That I won't lie. Like a normal person, I miss that. Genuinely. I mean, being present at the moment of the whole singing, it's a different feeling. That's why I said, you know what? I want to start this channel and show people the varieties of singing in Zion churches, and also discover more Zion churches, because I understand. So, newsflash, I'm waiting for it. Calaban is supposed to drop an album. Ikrok also has to drop an album. So as soon as they drop it, so for sure we will come here and we will react to it. And yeah, just like the song and King is about to, have you ever seen a flying machine? Ah, come on, guys. Man has good in Funukpala and Zion again. He in fly machine, man. Like, what is that now? Ah, hey, musanukdala man. Anyway, if you like what you're seeing, comment down below. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Like, it does not cost. And share to others. And so, yo, in the favorite rest of the Jupiter. Adios.